These products that I'm sharing with you guys, this is not a sponsored video. These are all products that I am genuinely using and I genuinely like. So
yeah. His body baby oh, his body baby oh, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Diva Star 213 and I'm back again with another video. This video I'm talking about my July favorites. There's a few things that I've been trying this July that I just absolutely love and I wanted to share with you guys. I know I'm a little late sharing my July favorites, but so what? They're still great products to check out now. So if you're new here, my name is Jennifer. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys decide to subscribe to my channel. And if you do, hit that post bell notification so you're always updated every time I upload a new video. And if you find like this video was helpful or you like this video, hit that like button so that I know to make more content like this. And of course, smashing that like button is going to help my channel, of course. So I just greatly appreciate that. Again, I just want to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I know it's been a while, but I have not forgotten about you guys. So let's get into these July favorites. Okay guys, first two things I want to talk about are hair products, and I'm just going to jump right into it. So the first product that I'm going to get into is a hair product, and I have type 4B, 4C kind of hair. I do have some heat damage in some places, so my curl pattern is a little looser, so it may look like 4A, but it's really 4B and 4C. And I haven't been doing a lot of wash and goes. I practically never really do wash and goes because I just don't like how my hair dries after I've put all the products and stuff in it. I just have way too much shrinkage and it just never works for me. But lately I found a really good product that's worked for my texture hair, and if you have a similar type texture hair, this may work for you. This is the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger and Moisturizing Styling Gel. This right here, y'all, this is practically empty. It's only a little bit left. Well, it's pretty much empty. It is empty. And this right here is like, this is better than just gel. Like when you do your wash and goes, I know a lot of us 4B and 4C type texture hair, we use just like gel, like extreme gel or eco style to get the thickness and for our curls to clump together. But no, baby girl, baby, this right here, you don't need gel, you just need this. And it's so affordable. I think I paid maybe $10 for this. But this right here, this product is really good and it smells amazing. Sorry guys, I guess he was feeling some type of way about me talking about this product. But yes, so, and I love the smell of it. It's really, it's like a clean, fresh kind of smell. And I like that. This kind of clean, fresh kind of smell. It smells really good. I really like it. This right here, I've been telling all of my girlfriends that have similar texture hair like me, like this is perfect for a wash and go. But I have been getting some curl definition with this product and I absolutely love it. I think in my June favorites, I talked about the ice curls gel. That works well, but no baby, this works really well, because the one thing that I didn't like about the ice curls in my last video, I'll tag that up if you want to check out those favorites, is that wasn't very moisturizing. It was a little drying. But this right here, this is very moisturizing and it's a gel. I'm always going to buy this. This is going to be like my go-to forever. This right here is really good. The next hair product that I want to talk about is the edge control, and I've been using this edge control for a really long time, but I buy it very seldom because to me it's just very pricey. And some of us probably have heard of it, but I love Hicks Edges. This Hicks Total Transformation Edges is the shiznai. Like, this is so good. The price is about $15, but baby, this is worth every $15 that you pay for. Like, every dollar, this is worth it. I would only use this on dry hair. This doesn't work very well on wet hair, but on dry hair, this will hold your hair down. Trust me. I just went back and bought it. I hadn't bought it in maybe like a year or two because I was being El Cheapo and I wanted to try a whole bunch of other products. This doesn't leave any white residue behind. It's moisturizing, and I literally hate that from any edge control, any of them. So this is great. Okay, the next product I want to talk about is for your face. This is the Valjean Labs Tone. This is a toner. So this has rose petal and glycolic acid soothing facial toner. This works really, really good. I'll only use this about 2 to 3 times a week, and just for like dark marks and any like dark sun marks, whatever. I just like to use this for hyperpigmentation and, like I said, any other dark marks or sunspots. This works well. I found this at Marshall's for $6.99, so very affordable. I love going to Marshall's to find affordable, you know, professional or salon professional products, skincare products, and even hair care products. This is really good. This is my second toner trying for Marshall's, and so far I'm satisfied. So definitely go pick this up. Next thing I want to talk about goes kind of like on your body, and so first I'll talk about. Now I'm going to talk about this. So in July I got a wax. Woo! I was so happy that the waxing center, European Wax Center was open. I just said wax center like so many times, but whatever. I was just so excited that they were open, so I went and got a wax. You know, the sales lady talked me into getting a scrub. But this right here, and this is what I got. This is the Smooth and Refined Body Polish, and I can't say the rest. It's French, so you know, just when you go into European Wax, just look up this. This is a hair growth minimizer, and I'm trying to find the smell of this. It doesn't really say the fragrance, but it smells amazing. It smells so sexy. To me, I love any kind of sexy, warm, it's like a warm vanilla, sexy kind of smell, and it's just sexy. And so I like to exfoliate with this. The beads aren't really harsh, they're not really big, so it does the job in like your sensitive areas. And I just love it. Like, I just love the smell of it. I just use it because in every place, just because of the smell of it. Like, oh, it just absolutely smells the bomb. Oh, it's just so sexy. It's like a vanilla, warm, sexy kind of smell. So when you go to European Wax Center, even if you don't get waxed at European Wax Center and you're looking for a scrub, you could probably still go in there and just buy this off the shelf. This right here works really good. I haven't had a lot of hair growth grow back after using this either. I use this every day in the shower, every day, every single day. And when I go back, I probably will go buy the body wash that also goes along with this, because I just wanted to try it out. But this right here is amazeballs. The next thing I want to talk about that goes on your body is a body spray. And this is by Bath & Body Works, obviously. This is the Cactus Blossom Fine Fragrance Mist. I love this smell. It smells really good. I have the lotion and the body wash, and I had the little personal hand lotions for your purse. It's fresh and sexy. It's definitely a sexy kind of smell. I love anything that's like a sexy, like, you smell good. Like, turn your head twice because you look good and you smell good. Like, That's how I feel when I put this on. Like, super sexy. And I like putting this on like just every day. I have about maybe 8 body mists, and then I have my perfumes that I just save for special occasions or when I'm going on a date or I want to just be really sexy. But this is probably my go-to. Cactus Blossom. This fragrance is so pretty. It's so sexy. It's not really, it's a little florally, but not that much. It's not overbearing because I don't really like floral fragrances, but because this is a blossom, it's kind of a floral kind of hint to it, but it's not a lot. It's more so sexy. And the fragrance is strong too, and it lasts a while. Like, kudos to Bath & Body Works. They stepped their game up with their mist, in my opinion, because sometimes back in the day when I bought their mist, it didn't last that long as far as the smell, and this lasts amazing. So really, really good. This last product that I want to talk about is a natural product, and I've been sharing this with my girlfriends and my family members because I think as women, we put a lot of product on our body, and we should be conscious of some of the things that we're putting on our body. And so the more natural things that we can put on our body, I think the healthier, we can maintain, especially against breast cancer that sometimes is caused by bad deodorant. So this deodorant is good deodorant. This is Native deodorant. Native deodorant, I'm pretty sure you've probably seen, is an all-natural deodorant. It's gluten-free and it's vegan deodorant, so you can not feel bad about putting it on. It has ingredients in here that we all know, like starch, fragrance, coconut oil, and a few other things that I can't pronounce. But anyways, this deodorant, I've used it for a little over a month and a half now. I haven't had any issues using this. I haven't had any like crazy sweating. I haven't had anything, like I really haven't noticed a difference between this deodorant and my normal degree deodorant that I use. I mean, except the smell in this is a lot softer, which I like, because sometimes when you have on so many different fragrances, your body wash, your deodorant, your curly, your hair product, your perfume, that's a lot of smells together. So I appreciate that this is just a small, like soft kind of smell. It's a coconut and vanilla fragrance. And if you're looking for an all natural deodorant, this is good. They're a little pricey, but I think it's worth the price. They're about $10 for $10 or $11 for the big size of the deodorant. You can buy the travel size just to try it out. That's what I did in the beginning before I got this, but I really loved it and decided to get it. So that's it, guys. Not a lot of products. I didn't want to be fake and share a whole bunch of products. Like I actually use a whole bunch of products. I mean, I do, but I don't. But in July, these were the products that I was using the most, and I am still using even into August. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate you guys like choosing to like just watch my video. Like I'm just really grateful for that. Again, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that post bell notification so you're always updated every time I upload a new video. And yeah, if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram at divastar213 and connect with me on there. So yeah, I'm so glad you guys tuned into this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.